of much of the Thai food you have had or will be having while traveling in Thailand can be found at a food market like this one. A visit to Thailand is incomplete without a trip to at least one food market. Here we will walk you through an array of aromatic herbs, tempting spices, organic vegetables, and fresh ingredients for healthy and delicious Thai food.
Fresh food markets in Thailand are often decades old but full of freshness. They are always full of vendors and buyers. The markets are immaculate and brightly lit, allowing shoppers to easily snap up what is in their shopping list. The fresh food market here is where the farm meets the city. Exotic fruits, seasonal vegetables, fresh seafood, sweets, and even cooked food are reasonably priced.
You will find a wide selection of prepared curry paste. Green curry, red curry, or massaman curry, you name it, and the vendor backs it up for you to take back home to cook. ผัดพริกขิงนี่อยากได้3 ขีดอะค่ะ There is a reason when people say they love Thai food. Thai food is flavorful with a balance of sweet, salty, and sour. It invokes a more intense reaction with your taste buds, making it easy to enjoy eating. Other than its vibrant flavor, Thai food is relatively healthy.
During the COVID-19 pandemic, the World Health Organization has suggested that good food is good medicine. Vegetables, fruits, nuts, and whole grains are the answer to a healthy diet. Thai cuisine is full of fresh herbs and spices. You'll find them everywhere, especially in curries and soups. All herbs and spices that play a big part in Thai cooking have medicinal properties. They can keep you in good health if you eat them regularly.
With its soothing lemon scent, this lemongrass is one of the main ingredients in tom yam gung, tom kha gai, and many Thai dishes. This aromatic grass helps reduce fever, aids digestion, and soothes intestinal infections. Lemongrass also relieves stress, anxiety, and fatigue. That's why spa treatment in Thailand serves hot lemongrass tea and uses its essential oil in aromatherapy massage.
Kaffir lime, galangal, and holy basil have many health benefits as they treat high blood pressure, fight cold. Chili, too, makes many mouth-watering Thai dishes that you'll always ask for more. These fiery berries are high in vitamin C and A. You might not want to cook during your holiday in Thailand, but a visit to the market is always an eye-opener.
This is Luk Prakop, a herbal compressed ball. This cute little ball is ideal for alleviating pain, stiff muscles, chronic backache, and chronic stress. This is such an excellent deal for traditional healing.
The ingredients inside the herbal ball are similar to the ingredients in Thai food. They are lemongrass, kaffir lime, tamarind leaves, turmeric, and some other aromatic herbs.
Walking through the Thai food market, you would then agree to let food be your medicine.